Am I getting emotional? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. So in today's video, I want to talk about something that I've been considering doing. I thought about it this morning and I thought, why not? Talking about cutting my hair again. I wanted to do this so bad. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys why I decided to cut all this hair. You know, for me, hair symbolize for seasons in your life, and I'm at a season where I need something different to am I getting emotional? I don't know. I don't know where the urge comes from, but my whole channel stands for natural beauty, stands for courage, stands for change, courageous women, and it's time to do my hair again. It's time to go short again. I don't have a particular reason. I saw in my hair like some of the strands were in that yeah, this one is a good one, but I have a lot of strands in my head that wasn't healthy. I'm a really drastic person, so if I see like some of my strands aren't that healthy, I wanna chop it all off and just start all over again. And that's what I decided today, just to cut my hair again and to start over. And I think there's a beautiful thing in starting over again. I don't know if there are some women who are watching and think, oh my goodness, I had the same feeling but I didn't have the courage to do it. Do it. Don't think too long. You can rock any style. I was ready. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I see you guys in my next video. Much love from me. Bye bye.